This was where the persons were kidnapped yesterday. Look at the bus. Look at the bus. They took all the passengers. Look at the bus. Look at this. They took all the passengers. Yesterday we posted about what happened around Omutele to Ankpechi, or from Ankpechi to Omutele, where a 10-seater bus was attacked. Now, I came all the way to see the driver of that vehicle.
I was boarded from Enugu to Abuja yesterday. Actually, I left Enugu around 2:03. Okay. So, on rushing down to Abuja, I got to Utukpo runabout at about 6 in the evening. So, I continued my journey without knowing that something was waiting for me. So when I got to that point,
yes,
it was a rough area. The road was not all that smooth.
Road, yes.
So while I was on motion, I now had a gunshot from my back. It was like maybe one of them was hiding inside the bush. So immediately I passed the person, and I had one gunshot. So immediately I checked my side mirror, and I saw about 3 of them at the back. So I now told the passengers that we are in trouble. Looking at the front, there are more than 6.
Wow.
And they didn't even hesitate to start shooting directly to the car. So when they shot at one of the tire, I now had to bend my head. I was not looking at the front. I had to bend down so that the bullet will not hit me at the front. So when I bent down, I was trying to control the vehicle to know if I can get to the last people. So they had to shut the second tire, and the vehicle could not move again. So before I could know it, I didn't even know that I was shot on the left leg.
Wow.
So noticing this one now, this bullet here, was later. So when I now opened the door to jump down and ran into the nearby bush, because I was very close to the bush. So my leg could not carry my weight anymore. So that's when I noticed the gunshot. So they came to me and was asking me, so you don't want to stop, you don't want to stop, so you are trying to run. I said no, and I had to lie down on the ground. And I was begging them, please. I was not running. It's just because I could not control the vehicle since I was shot on the leg. So the little Fulani guy there was hitting me with cutlass.
They were all Fulanis?
Yes. Like the ones I saw, I can't, they are many, they are up to 10. So I can't be looking at all of them. And they were asking us to lie down. So I was on the ground begging the junior one, the little guy, please, I was not running, I was shot and I cannot control the vehicle. He now asked me to stand up and open the gangway. So the vehicle has 2 gangways, the one at the driver's side and the other side.
Yes.
So I have to stand up and manage my leg, dragging the door to open it, but it was locked inside. So he keeps hitting me that cutlass until I pass through the back of the vehicle. Reaching there, the other passengers have opened the gangway, and they were all coming out. So I was telling them, okay, let's lie down, so that they will not harm anybody. So the one with cutlass now went at the other side of it, that is the driver's side, at the back. He was using the cutlass to pieces the glasses and the frame, telling me that I'm very foolish, I'm stupid. So we were lying down there, small time, they didn't waste time. They now asked everybody to stand up and line up. So when I stood up, I could not walk. I was carrying my leg. Once I want to make a step, I will stay fall. So when they look at me and they see that I cannot move on with them, they now ask me, you are the driver? I say yes. Oh yeah, go back. So immediately I stopped when they shot at the 2 tires. The guy at the front, because I was having a gear at the center, and the guy, a brave guy, at the other side of it. So immediately they shot at the 2 tires. As I was opening the door to run when I fell, the guy immediately opened his door and ran into the bush.
Wow.
So he escaped them. But the girl at the center could not run, as well as others at the back. Then they took the rest into the bush. I now saw a group of people from up coming down with that the same guy that escaped.
Yes.
I said, thank God, at least since they are coming with leg, they can even carry me or help me stop who to take me to hospital. So,
but the few persons you noticed among those people were Fulanis.
Yes, they are Fulanis. They were Fulanis, and another point to convince you that they are Fulanis was even though they were speaking Hausa as they were hitting me the cutlass and why they were shooting, but according to one of my passengers, I think she's outside there. She said immediately they entered the bush. The other ones were speaking their main dialect, which is Fulani. But the rest of them were asking them muje muje, you know, with Hausa.
Yes.
But others were busy speaking their Fulani language.
Okay. So we're hoping that all security operatives will be at alert, and we're hoping that they should not pay ransom this time. We're hoping that everybody will be rescued. As this video is going out, please, to the Inspector General of Police, the Commissioner of Police, and to every security operatives, please, this time ransom should not be paid. Let them be rescued. They are in the bushes there. They have not gone far. I know for sure they have not gone far. Please rescue these persons. Thank you.